use it to clean. So it has 7 different brushes. So whatever you want to clean, you can remove the brush, insert another brush. So that's the manual. So I'm gonna open everything, show and using it to wash, or if you want to bend down to use it to wash. Yeah, you see, that's it. Just use it to wash your bathtub. Exactly the one to use to clean mirror, to clean your car, to clean the bathtub. It depends on what you want to use. Take it off, pull another one. It's long or short, whatever you want. If you want to stand or sit, yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's how to